High-level drug trafficking and lethal injection has a better chance of passing the Senate than all the other laws that were included in the old law imposing the death penalty.
So ano yung latest counting nyo? Ilan na yung favor dun sa ganun at ilan na lang yung nag-oppose?
Tingin ko hating-hati pa rin eh. Tingin ko 10-10, 4 yung sumasayaw.
Yun yung
Yun nga, there's a very good chance. Baka hindi lang 4, baka makalima pa. Kung to favor, kung high-level drug trafficking lang at lethal injection. Kasi pag high-level drug trafficking lang, marami sa mga issues na ginagamit nila pang counter ng death penalty ay wala. Absent na. Anti-poor? Hindi. Never anti-poor ang death penalty for high-level drug trafficking dahil walang drug lord na mahirap. Ngayon, sasabihin mo, quantity? Hindi pwede. Hindi pwede. Driver, 1 toneladang marijuana yung dala. O 1 toneladang shabu yung dinadrive niya. Hindi naman kanya. Driver siya eh. Possession. Hindi high-level drug trafficking yun. Hindi pwede death penalty yung tao. That's the point eh. Yan, makikita nyo naman sa mga debate namin yan eh. No. When we push for high-level drug trafficking, it will be talagang recidivist. Alam mo na na talagang kontrolado niya yung area. Siya nagmamando doon. Ilang beses naman ang napag-alaman na ginagawa niya yun. At siya talaga big time doon. Yan, pwede siya. Bakit? Kasi pag kinulong mo siya at kinulong mo lang siya, life imprisonment lang, mag-ooperate uli yung lokong yun. Mag-ooperate sa loob yun. Kahit pa ba gagawa ng paraan yun. Mag-ooperate.
So sir, kasama sa agenda yung death penalty kapag nag-resume yung session? Hindi.
Yes, I was planning to give you guys a copy of the priority measures that we have agreed upon with the House. And later, after distribute ko sa inyo yung mga napasa na namin, kung ano yung napag-usapan ng House na ipapasa, at kung ano yung mga ipapasa by June, at kung ano itong mga priorities.
Kasi yung death penalty hindi kasama?
Hindi priority sa House pero hindi priority sa Senate eh. So I cannot include it sa mga binasa ko. Ang binasa ko yung agreement namin na ito yung mga priorities na pareho namin ipapasa. Yung iba, yung katulad ng death penalty, pinasa na nila. Sa amin, we promise them that we will debate on it and as much as possible pass it. But we were not able to give a guarantee that we will pass it. By June, I'm talking, itong mga binanggit ko, lahat ito for June. For June. So that in the first year of this Congress, we've already passed and enacted these laws.